Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice speaking in English.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to practice.
Today, we will practice what you learned before, colors and a and an with singular and plural nouns. We will do it with 3 exercises. First, shadowing helps you listen and repeat with a clear rhythm. Second, read aloud helps you read a short text with confidence. Third, describe the picture helps you talk about what you see.
Great, I like short speaking steps.
Perfect. Nexo. Let's start with shadowing. Listen and repeat after me. Shadowing. For shadowing, listen first, then repeat the same phrase. Keep it slow and clear.
Okay, I will listen and repeat.
I see a red bag. It is an orange kite. The sky is blue. I have a green pen. There are 2 books. This is a yellow ball. I like pink flowers. She has a white cat. He has an apple. The dog is brown. They are black shoes. It is a gray day. I see a purple cup. There is a gold star. These are blue bags. I want an egg. Read aloud. Nice work with shadowing. Now we have read aloud. Nexo will read the text first. After that, you should pause the video and read aloud calmly.
I am ready to read it. Today, I am in a small park. I have a red bag and an orange kite. The sky is blue and the trees are green. Near me, 2 dogs play on the grass. A girl has a yellow ball and her brother has 3 books. It is a simple, happy day.
Great job, Nexo. You did it very well.
Thank you, Emma.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and read the text aloud. Describe the picture. Good work, everyone. Now, describe the picture. Look at the image and describe what you see. Try to use the words on screen and the grammar we studied.
I can try.
Great, Nexo. You try first, and then the viewer will try.
In the picture, I see a small classroom. There is a red backpack on a brown chair, and an orange pencil is on the desk. On the wall, there are blue, yellow, and green posters. A white board is at the front, and a black clock is above it. There is a gold star on the board. Near the window, 2 pink flowers sit in a purple pot. A gray cat is under the table, and 3 books are on the floor.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and describe the picture in your own way. Use the words on screen.
Short sentences are okay, right?
Yes, do not make it complicated. Use short, simple sentences. I see a red backpack. I see blue posters. Now you pause and speak. Little by little, you will do it better.